Here we are on a hike out by our cabin in the woods with our good friends. Look how pretty it is out here. Snow up here for sure. And trying to get to the end point that's supposed to be a beautiful view, which I'll show when we get there. How y'all doing?
Just fine. Action.
Do it. This is for all you women's retreat peeps.
It's not coming down.
Oh, okay.
See how it's all
And this
open?
is where we were trying to make it to. You can see the river down there. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi Ange.
Hi. You gotta get the river in there, hon.
Here's
It's
Jeff
hard.
trying to get a selfie of us. Can you get the river in there?
Yeah.
I see the video of Jeff doing
I gotta
selfie.
record our real life moments, honey. People like real life.
To be right
That's a
here.
good idea.
And this is federal right here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Totally
Pitch a
so
tent up
excited.
here.
You can't, tents,
Oh,
Nope,
you
no
can't.
tents.
No tents?
Nope.
So what do you do?
they keep out the riffraff that way.
You just can't. Like, you can come walk
can't
it.
camp. Yeah, you can.
You can't have any motorized vehicles and no camping.
Yeah,
Oh.
but you can foot
I guess it
traffic
keeps
and
the peace.
come and fish, and
Yeah.
I'm assuming that it's huntable.
This is great. Oh, God's beauty.
Can never,
Yes.
seriously, this will never
Thank
ever
you,
get old.
Jesus. This is awesome. Now we made it lower.
Oh no, right here, look.
Just trying to find another landing area. Misadventure over there.
Hey, hey.
I can't go as fast. I would have the correct gear with me for Angel's Landing. Here we are on another part of the hike. You can hear the river right next to us. So peaceful.
That like went over like this and then up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looked like a big
Oh,
sea.
yeah, we got a picture of that. Yeah.
So you know what that
Yeah.
is? I learned. So the Indians used to take.
So this is what's cool, is that our men, our hubbies, made these blue markings on our trees so that we know we're on our trails back to our cabin. So great. And look how beautiful it is out here. Sun shining now. What a blessing. And here we are, knowing that I'm on the right trail. There's a tree marked with blue. Well, now we're walking back to our cabin. This is our long driveway. Speedy Gonzales up there. When we were leaving, we saw turkeys earlier, but I think they're all hidden now. But this is our long driveway. We came from way up there. Our driveway is about a mile long. You can see our cabin up there. This sun is awesome. And there's our cabin. As you can see. Turkeys are gone right now. And here we are back home in the woods. We did let's see, how long did we go? It always seems like we are going a long ways, distance-wise, but let's see. Oh, only 2.79 miles. It really seemed like we went like 4 miles. But it was hiking in the woods and hills, around rivers. Yeah, but that's our cabin. We love it up here. Good for the soul.